What's the meaning of credibly? Credibly. Credibly.
Credibly. Credibly. Credibly is an adverb that describes the degree to which something is believable or plausible. When someone or something is described as being credibly, it means that it is seen as trustworthy, reliable, and believable based on information or evidence presented. This can be important when it comes to issues like news reporting, scientific research, or legal proceedings. By being credible, individuals or organizations are more likely to be trusted and respected in their fields. Overall, being credible is a valuable attribute in many aspects of life and work.